Want to increase the security of your home or apartment? These impenetrable security systems are for you. And this affordable AI-based home protection system represents a significant advancement in home security, incorporating cutting-edge technology. It uses advanced computer vision algorithms to effectively monitor and detect any intrusion threat. The world's first autonomous tower. It offers multiple applications. In addition to its primary function as an intruder deterrent, this system is designed to be integrated into various activities, such as ASG games and paintball. This not only improves security, but also provides an immersive experience in recreational activities. It also includes security cameras with tracking capabilities. The complexity of the computer vision algorithms used requires a significant amount of power, which can be provided by advanced NVIDIA Jetson chips with 384 CUDA cores. This combines powerful computing with low power consumption. Speaking of power, let's take a look at a futuristic device to protect your home. FogU positions itself as the world's first and only self-installing security fog cannon with international certifications and compliance with food safety standards. It acts as a non-escalating protection tool, creating a barrier between you, your belongings, and potential threats. By obstructing visibility, it prevents damage to you and your property. Protect your business, your employees, your family, your home, your garage, your workshop, your shed or storage facility. In short, anywhere you or your belongings need protection. FogU is a self-contained and simple fog cannon that sets a new standard in security devices. It's easily installed on a wall in the area you wish to secure. Once activated, FogU quickly fills a room with dense fog to protect you and your property, occupying a room in seconds. Who asked for high-tech gadgets? IGLA is an innovative digital anti-theft solution that has positioned itself as a global leader in the industry. Its cutting-edge technology, designed to be compatible with 99% of vehicle models on the market, not only sets a standard for security, but also boasts an impressive statistic: 0 recorded thefts in the last decade. IGLA's reliability and effectiveness comes not only from its inconspicuousness and wireless installation, but also from its minimal impact on the vehicle's warranty. By providing protection against a wide range of thefts, IGLA has become the preferred choice for those seeking robust and reliable vehicle security. In addition, IGLA's advanced features such as ignition interlock, precise geolocation, audible and visual alarm activation, and remote locking capabilities provide additional layers of security and control for vehicle owners. In a world where vehicle security is paramount, IGLA stands out as a solution that not only meets, but exceeds expectations, providing peace of mind and constant protection over time. And if you're looking for maximum protection, take a look at the following invention that'll turn your home into an impenetrable fortress. Definitely, here we have one of the latest home security gadgets. SensoGuard is the only choice that offers independent sensor processing for precise accuracy, improved decision-making, and flexible and easy installation. Intelligent algorithms continuously adapt to environmental behavior, reducing false alarms and maximizing detection probability. These seismic systems incorporate pattern recognition algorithms that classify events by threat type, with sensitivity adjustment at the sensor and event level. The best part? Unlike other buried security technologies, such as leaky coaxial or optical cables, these rugged systems provide 24/7 protection, even in extreme weather conditions. And speaking of top of the line, the next security system will make you think twice before you change. Here we have a very innovative security system. The Alpine Bike Capsule is more than just storage space. It's an engineering masterpiece designed to provide exceptional protection for your bike in any environment. Its durability stands out because it is waterproof, ensuring that your bike is protected from the elements and any adversity that may arise. The virtually indestructible nature of the rotomolded polyethylene ensures that the capsule will withstand wear and tear over time, keeping your bike in optimal condition. The simple yet elegant semicircular design not only adds an attractive aesthetic touch, but also blends harmoniously into any environment, whether you place it in front of your home, in your garage, or in public spaces. In addition to providing a secure home for your bike, the Alpine Bike Capsule becomes a functional and aesthetically pleasing part of your environment. Its ability to accommodate most bikes and accessories makes it a versatile choice for cyclists of all kinds. Leaving this superbike security system behind, let's get to know one of the leading companies in the security sector. When you talk about affordable security inventions, you have to mention Bradbury Group. which manufactures high-quality sheet metal profiling and processing equipment that increases productivity for customers worldwide. Whether you need a single profiling machine or a complete manufacturing system, Bradbury Group has the expertise and commitment to build equipment that will exceed your expectations. Bradbury technicians are available to train operators on new or previously purchased Bradbury Group equipment. Training can include maintenance training, calibrations, machine inspections, parts inventory reviews, profile tool training, and more. Bradbury has new equipment ready to ship with short lead times. Typical stock items include decoilers, coil carts, building and roofing panel lines, form folders, cut-to-length and cut-off units, ridge presses, and any other ancillary equipment for the metal building and roofing industry. Great, isn't it? If you want to go even further in your security systems, you need to know about the next invention. Installing security systems for a commercial establishment is always a good idea. Gatekeeper Systems PerCheck technology is a highly effective loss prevention tool, invisible but powerful, designed to retain merchandise, deter theft, and enhance security while improving the overall customer experience. Business intelligence technology leverages data collected from in-store devices to provide comprehensive solutions for robust reporting on system performance, shopper behavior, cart usage, and system health. The expanded suite of intelligent products and services offers innovative technologies tailored to each retailer's specific needs. These solutions not only strengthen security and minimize loss, but also provide fundamental insights into the behavior of both shoppers and potential thieves, ultimately improving store profits. Protecting your store is important, but protecting your home is even more important. So check out the next invention. Taking care of your home is most important, and here's an innovative device that can do just that. Tissot's automatic tire killers are not only a cost-effective and efficient solution for vehicle access control management, but also stand out for their versatility and durability. With various configurations available, these devices can be adapted to both surface and shallow trench installations. Their ability to provide bidirectional or unidirectional access control with spikes of varying lengths provides flexibility to meet a variety of needs. The wide range of options available makes these tire killers a traffic barrier that can be used in a variety of situations. Whether providing security in sensitive areas, controlling traffic flow, or protecting perimeters, this product effectively adapts to different scenarios. The inclusion of an integrated hydraulic unit not only adds robustness to the system, but also makes it suitable for installation in adverse weather conditions. Furthermore, the ability to work efficiently in projects requiring long distances, up to 100 meters between the PLC and the blocking segment, demonstrates the versatility of this system in diverse and challenging environments. Want to protect your bike outside your office or home with a device? It already exists. With bike, scooter, and motorcycle theft reaching epidemic proportions in urban areas, Booby Trap is focused on thwarting thieves. Using simple items such as a standard water bottle, a retractable cord, and a smoke grenade similar to those used in military situations, it is possible to create a simple and effective trap to deter bike thieves. EG-18 smoke grenades cost about $7 each and produce a thick, lingering cloud of smoke for 30 seconds. There are even videos on how to build your own anti-theft trap using a smoke grenade. In some cities, gangs of thieves are taking advantage of the police's decision not to pursue scooters as a form of theft without consequences. Now that thieves have getaway vehicles they know won't be pursued by the police, their modus operandi is becoming bolder, requiring equally bold protective measures, like the following cutting-edge invention. By integrating Axis audio system devices, you can not only maximize the performance of your current audio solution, but also ensure the protection and value of your legacy investments. These devices provide a smooth transition to network audio, allowing you to efficiently upgrade your system without losing the effectiveness of your initial investment. What's more, if you're already using an IP-based audio solution, incorporating Axis products gives you more flexibility and options to further optimize your acoustic environment. This allows you to adapt and expand your audio system as your needs change, maintaining quality and efficiency every step of the way. Now you're going to discover today's latest invention. Are you ready? Welcome to At Arx Tech Security. Their philosophy is to create products that go beyond their basic function. Home security and the protection of your family are critical issues that must be addressed with a comprehensive approach. During the design process, each product is conceived with the premise of surpassing all others on the market in terms of functionality, durability, and style. For the company, security is not only a necessity, but also an aesthetic and comfort concern. That's why ArcTech Security Mesh strives to not only provide effective protection against intruders, but also to seamlessly integrate into your home environment, adding a touch of style and sophistication. With ArcTech Security Mesh, you not only get a quality security product, but you also get the peace of mind of knowing that your home is protected by a system designed to exceed your expectations for security, durability, and design. It provides you with the first and last line of defense to ensure your comfort and safety at all times. Of course, these inventions are so cool, you should have them all. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.